Hi, it's Alice Murray. We are at day 90 of 365 sewing makes. Day 90. We're just about at the end of month 3. Tomorrow I'm going to post my usual video and also on my Facebook page I am going to post all 30 makes for this month, and you can vote which one you like the best. And today I am showing you 3 months. Can you believe we made 3 months? I actually can't. Newlook 6735. And today I'm showing you the Palooza pants and the little t-shirt. Give you a twirl. I made this and then I thought, that really looks like either pajamas or scrubs. Which do you think? My husband said, those are the most pandemic pants you've made. They look very comfortable. They're very wide-legged and they're made out of a very thin kind of drapey material. The t-shirt, the pants are from, the material is from Fabricland, and the t-shirt, one thing I like about this pattern is it has gathers down the side instead of darts. I raised the neck. It has quite a low neckline on this shirt, so I raised it a few inches because I like it a little more up. But it has quite a wide neckline with a band on it. But I love this material. I just love it. It's from an online fabric store called Funky Monkey. And it's called Philosopher's Thought. And it is covered with philosophical thought. Like sunshine flows into the trees. You can have no dominion greater or lead than that over yourself. Stuff like that is covered in it. It's very cute. I love it. So after I made this and tried it on and thought, that looks like scrubs or pajamas, I tried to make a vest to go over top of it because I thought that would help. But this material, this very fine material, did not want to be a vest and fought me hard, and it won. I usually never, ever let the garment win, but it did this time. So that was unfortunate. But anyways, I think this is good. Kicking back, relaxing kind of clothing. And while you're kicking back and relaxing, you can read some philosophical thought. How fun is that? So today, in my grateful thread, what I am grateful for is handmade gifts that, we're entering into the Christmas season and Christmas shopping and all that kind of thing. And I love making handmade gifts for my family. And I don't know if they love them, but I love making them for them. I don't know, with all the sewing this year, how much. They might all get clothes that look like they'd fit me. But yeah, I way overdid it last year. Way too much Pinterest. It was way too many handmade things. But yeah, I love making them a little something because you think about them while you're making it too. So I hope that you have some opportunity to make some handmade things for the people you love. And I hope maybe you're sewing, because sewing is so much fun.